Evening.
So here's my question. Dumami ang followers mo sa social media nung naging finalist ka. Paano mo gagamitin ang opportunity na ito kahit natapos na ang competition na to?
I'm sorry. Could I get English, please?
I will try my best. Are you ready for this? Woo! Listen very carefully. Here's my question. Your social media following grew when you become a finalist. How would you use this opportunity even after your super bad journey? I think you understand that.